Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to show you this battery sprayer that I got since I want to start applying foliar fertilizer on my trees. So I thought I'd get this instead of pumping it all the time. You could use this one comes with a rechargeable battery through a USB, about 1.5 gallons. So I just wanted to check it out real quick. It's 5 liters. Comes here with a shoulder strap. Also comes with 3 different spraying heads on it. I'm gonna have to test those out. I wonder where you charge it. Oh, here it is. I guess it comes with that USB right there, and you gotta have that little charging block. And I believe it says you have to charge it for 2 hours. So we'll go ahead and do that and come back. Okay, so we have it charged up, so now I'm just going to put it together real quick. I'm going to show you guys. So it comes like this. So one end just goes in here. Screw it in. Then the other end goes to this piece here. It was closed off like that. So you just want to thread this through here. Get it in there like that. And tighten it. Then lastly you have this wand here, which was like this. Came like that. You just want to take it off. And it came with these gaskets here. I just put one of them in here. You want to tighten it like that. And then you got these 3 heads here. This looks like a shower type one. This one, from the look of it, looks like a fan. And I'm assuming this one is the sprayer that we're all used to when we do, get these sprayers. So I'm going to try it with this. Just screw that on there. And finally this should screw in here. There you have it. Put the shoulder strap. And this goes on top. And this thing doubles like a measuring cup, which is kind of nice. Although it's not in ounces or anything like that, it says 40 milliliters. So you probably have to find out what the conversion is. But it's nice if you mix something in, put it in here, close it up, and then go and do the stuff. I got fertilizer that I'm going to use right now for my Meyer lemon, so I'm going to take how that works as well. Okay, so I filled it up with filtered water. As you can see, you got liters on this side, ounces on this side. So I just did a gallon for easy measuring. So it's 130 ounces, a gallon is 128. So that's close enough. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon, same thing, close enough. If anything, I'd rather be less than more, just for safety. Put that in there. Mix it up. And you want to spray this at night when the sun has gone down. You always want to apply foliars at night. This way it doesn't burn, you know, with the sun. Okay, now we're gonna go off and spray. Okay guys, here we are at the tree. As you could see, it's got some sunburn here. Some other leaves are kind of looking chlorotic. Some are yellow. So I'm just gonna spray this, and you know, hopefully that'll help it out. What you want to do is you want to spray the top, but more importantly the bottom is what I heard is where they actually absorb the nutrients from. So this thing is, as you can see, makes it really easy. Nice consistent pattern of spray. Probably should wear eye protection just in case. Yeah, get it nice and wet all over. This thing is nice. I like this thing. Makes it so much easier. I think that's pretty good. So I'm gonna apply the rest of it on my other trees, kumquats and stuff. Okay guys, I'm back inside. I just finished spraying my trees. So this 1 gallon lasted for about 5 newly planted trees. You know, maybe 3 feet tall. And that was fully soaked up and down. So I'm very impressed with this unit. Kept a nice even spray, very quiet, consistent. Made my job a lot easier. And then I just put some tap water in there now and just flushed out the system, rinsed it out, and it should be good to go. And I'm gonna use this only for fertilizer. I don't know if it's okay to mix, you know, with herbicides and all that stuff, sprays, but I think I'm just gonna use it for foliar application of fertilizer.